How to create your first post using Polybuzz.ai. First of all, open the app and tap on the plus button in the middle of the bottom bar. Under Create, you will see three options: Regular, Multi-role and Templates. If you want to make a simple post, tap on Regular. The first step is creating your avatar. Here you can use a reference image by uploading one from your gallery or describe your avatar as male, female or non-binary. You can also write your own prompt to generate a personalized avatar. After that, tap on Generate to create your first post. Then select your avatar and hit the pick button. Next, tap Save and Next to save your character. The next step is setting up your character profile. Enter the name, gender, intro, greetings, permissions, tags, background and dialogue style. When you are done, tap Save and Next again. After that, move on to the final step, character voice. Choose the voice you like from the available options, then tap Save and Next to continue. Once you have finished creating your post, review it to make sure everything looks perfect, then tap the Post button to publish it. Your post will now appear on your feed, where others can react, comment and engage with it. If you choose multi-role, you can create a post that involves multiple AI characters interacting in one scene. This option is great if you want to generate role-based conversations or storytelling content. The Templates option lets you use pre-designed post format, perfect for quick creation when you want to make something creative without starting from scratch. Now you know how to create your first post using Polybuzz.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.